Hello, I'm Andrew. Welcome to this tutorial on using the Preheader management tool in Campaign Cleaner. Today, we'll explore how to effectively manage preheaders in your email campaigns. First, let's understand what a preheader is. A preheader is the short text snippet that follows your email's subject line. It acts as a preview, offering a glimpse into the email's content. This is crucial because it's often read right after the subject line and can significantly impact whether your email gets opened. Ideally, a preheader should be concise, typically between 85 and 100 characters. For this demonstration, I've chosen an email campaign from ADP. I've already uploaded and pre-cleaned this campaign in our tool. You'll usually find the preheader at the top or near the top of the email. In this email, I'll highlight where the preheader is located. A good indicator of a preheader is when you see the CSS style set to display equals none. This means it's designed not to show up as part of the main email content, yet it plays a critical role in engagement. But here's the good news. Campaign Cleaner simplifies this process. It automatically adds the preheader to your campaign, along with the correct styling. Now, let's navigate to the tool. Click on Tools, then select Preheader Management. If the tool detects an existing preheader, like it did with our ADP campaign, you can choose to use it. If not, you have the option to create a new one. For this example, I'll select the detected preheader. Once selected, you can edit it to better fit your campaign. I'll just change one word here, then click on the Update Preheader button. Next, we'll use the Send Preview tool. I'll send an email to my Gmail to demonstrate how the preheader appears. Let's add a subject, then select my email address and click the Send button. In a few seconds, the email should arrive. Here it is. As you can see, the second line starting with Effective Investigations is the preheader we've selected. Now, let's remove the preheader and send another preview to my Gmail. Notice how it starts with a view in browser? That's the first piece of text the tool finds in the absence of a preheader, which isn't ideal for our purposes. This shows the importance of a well-managed preheader. With Campaign Cleaner, managing or setting up a preheader is straightforward and effective. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Until next time.